Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish Academy, and today we will be removing a wayward foot in Photoshop. But first, make sure you visit our website, Flourish.Academy, to learn more about our courses and join us in our private Facebook community group where we support photographers of all levels. And check out our sponsor, ymcamera.com, for all of your photography needs. You will be supporting a small, family-owned business. My friend Carrie was recently sharing this photo with me, and I thought it was so cute, but I did not love the foot in the background. So I wanted to remove it as quickly as possible. I'm going to begin by pressing Command or Control J on my keyboard in order to duplicate the background layer. Now, there are a variety of ways to tackle this, but I always like to try the easiest, most straightforward. So I'm going to choose the Remove tool, which is J on your keyboard. However, I would like to make a couple of notes here. First of all, I am using version 25.1 of beta, so that's important to note. And if you don't see the Remove tool in your toolbar, you can come down to these three little dots and you can edit your toolbar, and you just want to make sure that you see the Remove tool on the left under toolbar. Sometimes it does not get placed there automatically when you update, and it might be over here in extra tools. So you would just scroll and find it and drag it over to the toolbar so it will be there for you to use. As you can see, there are a couple different ways to use this. You can brush over the area, or you can use it like the lasso tool, which is what I'm going to do because I think it's going to be faster. So I'm just going to go over this area around her foot. And when I release the mouse, it will select that area. Oh my gosh, it's just brilliant. It's so fast. It looks so good. If there were any pixels that I didn't love here, I would just use a variety of other healing tools in order to blend that in a little bit better. And so the video could end here, and if this is what you came for, great. But I just want to show you a couple of ways that this can go wrong. If you have issues, let me duplicate that background layer again. And let's say we used the lasso tool and we wanted to have AI fix this. And we use the generative fill and just allowed Photoshop to figure this out. And I'm not sure exactly what happened there, but none of it looks great. So I'm going to delete that layer. And actually I was testing this before I started recording, and it gave me that message saying it went against the terms and conditions to remove her foot. I don't know, but I've got to say, in the last update or two of beta, generative fill has not been working well for me. So what if we decided to use something like, I don't know, the patch tool? This is what I probably would have used previous to the Remove tool. So I just want to see what this will generate, because the nice thing is you can line up those shadows. And yeah, again, you get, I don't know, just some artifacts and lines that don't look good. The Remove tool does the best job in the fastest way possible. I hope that you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.